4 steps to design a bifold restaurant menu. Step 1. Size. Step 2. Alignment. Step 3. Color schemes. Step 4. Fronts. Size. There are many different sizes for print. A 4 size is common. For bifold, width 11 inches and height should be 8.5 inches. Bleed 0.125. Mode CMYK. 300 ppi. Alignment. Make an 11 by 8.5 shape and align it in the middle. For bifold, split it into 2 columns. Fan offset path. Hit -0.375. Select all and make guild. Click the artboard tool and make a copy of all of it. Numbering it as front, back, inside left, inside right. Color schemes. For colors, use coolers.co or other websites to generate color schemes, or use the logo as a color scheme. Fronts. Use 2 different fonts for font pairing. Last and important, customize. Use shapes, illustration stock images for a creative look. So that's it. Hope you like this lesson. If you need some help, contact me on my Gmail. Thanks for watching.